Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making essential connections and verifying levels. Connect your source to the compressor input and route the output to your mixer or DAW. Set makeup gain to unity and confirm the device is powered. Once done, toggle bypass to compare dry and compressed signals. Use the input pad only if you see clipping. Monitor gain reduction meters while keeping headroom. This prevents pumping later. You're now ready to engage the compressor with meaningful threshold and ratio adjustments. You'll now shape response. Start by lowering the threshold until you see about 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction on the loudest peaks. Once done, select a ratio. Use 2:1 for gentle leveling and 4:1 or higher when you need stronger control. Adjust attack to control transients. A 1 to 10 millisecond attack keeps clicks and slaps intact, while slower attack lets the initial transient breathe. Make sure to watch meters and listen in context as you tweak. Finish by dialing release time so compression recovers naturally. Faster release yields punch, slower release preserves sustain. Listen for breathing or pumping and make small changes. Next, trim makeup gain so the compressed signal matches bypass level. You want perceived loudness parity, not extra clipping. Once done, perform a/B comparisons and listen in the full mix at performance levels. If you hear pumping or distortion, reduce ratio, lengthen release, or lower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.